Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your wireless charging pad in the 2023 Kia Stinger. I have in front of me here a GT Elite with suede package and snow white pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, we're going to head into the 10.25 inch infotainment screen, and we can either hit setup in the bottom here to the right under the vents, or from the home page, we can swipe to the left and hit setup in the bottom right corner. Then we're going to go into vehicle. And I'm going to scroll up on the left-hand side and then go into convenience. And then we're going to make sure down here at the bottom that the wireless charging system is turned on. So the wireless charging pad is located in this little storage area above the cup holders under the climate controls. So you take your phone. Now, as long as you don't have too thick of a case on the phone, you don't have a pop socket or a finger ring or a card holder, and your phone's compatible with wireless charging, you go ahead and place it in there. And you'll see above that little symbol, the light's going to come on to let us know it's charging now. There is also another symbol up here in the top corner to let us know it's charging. Now, if you left your phone in there and you went to go turn the car off and go to open your door, it will ping on the instrument panel just to remind you that your phone is still in the wireless charging pad. I'm going to go ahead and turn the car back on. Now, if the phone was sitting in here and this light starts blinking, that means that it might have just gotten a little too warm. Therefore, it's pausing the wireless charging until it cools itself down a little bit, and then it would start charging again. And if you go to place your phone in there, it's generally best to make sure it's kind of tucked all the way to the back and that it's centered, and that way it'll have a good contact for charging. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and please consider subscribing if you're enjoying our content. Also, all of our social media links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.